Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can download the statement of your SBI account using net banking and also called YONO banking, because this activity does involve some confidential information on screen. That's why instead of making it a live video, I'm showing you in the form of a step-by-step screenshot. So when you log in into your SBI YONO net banking, on main page itself you see uh, like view accounts, right? Transaction accounts, view accounts. So you can click on view accounts. Okay. Now there you can see the accounts that you have. Okay. And there you can select the account whose statement you want. Okay. Now here see there are tabs: account summary, transaction, statements. Go to statements. Now you have to select either by duration or you can select the financial year. So when you select the duration, you have the option to some of like last month, current month, last 3 months, current financial year, last, and also custom date range. Whichever you want you can do. Okay. Then also the format that you want. Okay. And see there are like then this two available: include all account summary, include nominee details. So it's up to you if you want or not. And then at the end you have like option of email or download. So you can either email it or download, and once you do that you need to like the PDF file, for example, is gonna be a password protected file. So password will be in this format: ddmmyy is your date of birth. Okay, so you know that, and these 5 digits here that you see is gonna be the last 5 digits of your registered number with the account, registered cell phone number with the account. So use that, get in, and then that's it guys. So let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.